Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 2, Real Numbers, Section A, Easy. Let's start. A positive integer n when divided by 9 gives 7 as a remainder. What will be the remainder when 3n minus 1 is divided by 9? Means see, there is some integer which is divided by 9 and remainder is 7. So, suppose let's say the integer is 29. Okay, not 29, remainder is 7. So let's say the remainder integer is 25. Then what? 25 divided by 9, so 18, and remainder is 7, right? It's like this. So how do you express 25 then? 9 into 2 plus 7, right? So similarly, if this number is instead of 25, it is say 34, then what? 9 into 3 plus 7, right? It means what? Suppose if the integer is n, then it will be 9 into q. Q is again an integer plus 7, right? Now what we want is 3n minus 1. So n equals to 9q plus 7. So 3n equals to 27q plus 21, right? Up to clear up to this point? Okay. Now 3n minus 1 we want equals to 27 plus 27q plus 21 minus 1, right? That is 27q plus 20. Okay. Now we want divided by 9. So 3n minus 1 upon 9 equals to 27q plus 20 upon 9. Right? Okay. Now check these. 27 is directly divisible by 9. That's okay. So no remainder will be there. And 20. 20 is what? 18 plus 2. So 18 plus 2, write this. So when you divide this, 9 ones are 9 3s are 2s are, and this 2 remains as it is. This can't be divided. So the remainder is 2. That is the required answer. Which of the following numbers have the terminating decimal expansion? Now what is terminating decimal expansion? A terminating decimal is a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal point. Finite means what? Which can be counted, which have an end. So which have an end. A terminating decimal like, see this, 1.2568. This is terminating. Why? Because after the point you can count them. After 8 there is nothing. So that is called as terminating. It can be thousands, 1000, 1000 also over here. 1.25687569, everything. But which comes to an end is a terminating. If it goes up to infinity, then it's not terminating. Now somebody can say for this also that, see, 1.2568 can be written as 1.2568 and 00 up to infinity. But repetition of zeros is not considered. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.